going to come up on land.
Yeah,
They do too.
Yeah, but he's not going to come
Jared
up on
at? He missed it.
Jared! Jared! He caught one and the gator's chasing him.
We're right by the alligator so we can...
Yeah!
Yeah,
He's over there.
just a little one.
Scott, throw it
Grab a
in.
hold of him. He's all chewed up. Where's the
He's in the middle.
Right there where you were.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He was following you.
Get out a little later and he was going to be right there.
Just give it a pitch.
Right under that bush
Paul.
on your left. No, on your left.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On your left.
Give it a toss out.
You're
Right
right.
in front of that pine tree.
Toss
That
it
bush in
out,
front of
we'll
the pine
let it
tree
eat
right
it.
here.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Nothing.
Huh?
Where is he? I don't see him.
Yeah? We'll catch another fish and he'll come after you. Holy
Topwater pop.
man.
This is a homemade one. This is what great.
Is he nuts or what?
I've paid up life insurance.
Where did that alligator go?
He's still here on the bank.
He's got to be.
I want to see you wrestle
And
him.
there's little Paul.
Get him.
There's Scott and Scotty.
I'm still tying my line.
Aww. I hate when nobody helps me. Jared's going to hook the gator.
Yeah, unhook the gator.
Oh, you almost had him.
What the hell are you trying to hook that alligator for?
Such an idiot.
See how long it takes to break the lure
Your
off.
husband's not much.
Jared, come here, move your hand so I can see your swollen eyes and your puffed up forehead. Made you look like the little mongoloid. Your hand, Maureen.
Come on now.
Come in. Threw it out the window. I know Scott was trying to catch one so that alligator would come after it. There's Jerry. And all the trees are blowing. And there's Jared down there waiting to catch a stupid fish in the middle of a torrential downpour.
Idiot.
Look at his hair. He's like plastered. His hair is. Fisherman number 1. Are you wet? Fisherman number 2 and 3. Are you fellas a little wet?
Yeah, just a little.
It's better than swimming in the pool. Just a little bit too wet.
Hey, Scotty, open that door and prop it open. Jared's coming. Trying to catch dinner.
Dinner.
Uh-huh. And
Yeah, you get it.
there's the guests waiting to eat. Where is it? There's that one.
There's one right
number
here.
1.
You can see him from over here.
And gator number 2.
She's laughing.
Look at all the crap going on.
Look, she's looking at the red light,
Uh-huh.
aren't you? Are you looking at the red light? Yes, you are. Haley, baby. Can you get this open? Hi, Haley. Hi, Haley. Oh, you want to sit up? Okay.
I'm gonna turn her so I can take a picture.
Okay. I'm turning her.
She is so vocal. You know what I mean? She's always.
Replaced all the wiring, had the transmission out, tail, motor mount. The boat was, yeah, the boat was right in the water. I thought it was cheap.
Randy, okay. Somebody got to clean around here. Yeah, you can have that one. Thank you, Alyssa. Good job. You done? Are you done? This has been going on for 15 minutes. Squeeze the top. Remember how I showed you to wind the top down a little bit? There, stand up and do it. It's easier if you stand up. Remember, squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. There you go. Look, you're doing it just right. Why don't you try around the edges now? Can you do it around the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, and I'll turn it around a little bit. It's easier. There you go. Go ahead and run the side. Whoa. Squeeze and pull. Is it a little bit easier that way? Roll the top down. Remember how I showed you to roll that down? There you go. Okay, now stick your fingers in there so you can squeeze. Do it nice. Go ahead. You know how. Like I showed you, Kelsey. At the bottom, remember? You're making a mess. How you doing there? I'll see. You won't have enough to go all the way around if you don't do it right. Go all the way around. Do you need me to help you wind it? Okay, squeeze it and squeeze it. Wind it up until it's tight.
It is tight.
No, it's not tight enough. I can tell it's not. Now it is. Okay, go ahead. Put your hand on there and squeeze. See how it comes out better when it's tight? You need to turn your cake or turn your whole body. What a beautiful cake you're making. Look, Frank's sleeping. Squeezing? Atta girl. Okay, now you can do however you want in the middle on the top. You can make globs or blobs. However you want to do it is fine by me.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Okay. Are you going to write Jared?
I'll try.
J-A-R.
G-E.
No, J-A.
You're right. Okay. J-A.
R. E.
E.
D.
D.
Are you squeezing it? Da da da. Any more icing? They just make some glob things. Okay, there you go. See? That's okay. We'll spread it around a little bit so it's smooth. Did you get it all out of there?
This is messy.
Mm-hmm. It tastes good though.
There.
Hold on. Da-da-da-da.